Guys, today we are going to visit the going to visit the floating island.
Hello.
Nads, where we are going to go?
We are going to go to Gusong. Gusong.
Small island. It's made
Floating.
up of floating island. Okay.
It's a
We are
floating
going
island.
there. And it's there. It's
Oh,
a floating
yeah.
island.
The white one is
It's a floating island.
Gusong.
The name is Gusong.
Yeah, yeah. Dai. Say.
Say
Panangis may na.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa floating island ng Laminusa. So,
This is Gusong Island.
this island, they call this Gusong Island.
Bohe sa mga friend na.
It's sa atin dito. Super nice. Thank you so much. A very nice experience. Doon po. Nandito na tayo sa Gusong Island. Ito yung floating islands, middle ng dagat ng Laminusa. Ito po yung ano nila, yung floating island. Pag low tide, ganito siya. Pag high tide, hindi natin makikita. Ayan. So, ayun, yung buong Laminusa Island. Maliit lang siya. Until there is Laminusa Island. Makikita lang natin siya. Fish. Ay, tetehe. Tetehe sa nana. Wait. Ayan, may pisinilo.
Anya na lang, tapi sino kaya?
Ito yung pamangkin ni Nads. Tapos, namimingwit siya dito. Baka makakuha siya ng isda. Say smile, say ito pa. Smile. Okay na.
Iya.
Super clear. Ayan, ang ganda. Hindi ka mandi, Nads? Hindi ka, dali ka. Ayan. Ito yung Gusong Island. Daming starfish.
Walang bahay.
Walang bahay. Puro ano lang siya. Puro sand. Amazing. Starfish. Na, ano sa may ano. Ngayon ako magdupang-dupang.